Success doesn't happen overnight. Behind every successful person, there are habits, principles, and mindsets that shape their journey. Let's explore the most powerful lessons we can learn from highly successful people. Focus on goals with clarity. Successful people always know what they want. They set clear, specific goals and work towards them every single day. Whether it's building a company or mastering a skill, they break big dreams into small, manageable steps. Never stop learning. Lifelong learning is a common habit among successful individuals. They read books, ask questions, and surround themselves with people who challenge their thinking. Learning is not just about formal education, it's about curiosity and constant growth. Take responsibility. Highly successful people never blame others. When mistakes happen, they take full responsibility and learn from them. They believe that their future depends on their actions, not on luck or outside circumstances. Stay disciplined and consistent. Hard work matters, but consistency matters more. Successful people build strong daily routines and stick to them. Even on tough days, they show up and do the work. That's how progress turns into success. Value time over everything. Time is the one thing we can never get back. Successful people protect their time. They say no to distractions, avoid unnecessary tasks, and invest time in things that matter, like learning, building, and growing. Build strong relationships. Success isn't a solo journey. Successful people build networks of trust, support, and collaboration. They treat others with respect, listen more than they speak, and always look for ways to help and connect. Embrace failure as a teacher. Failure is not the end, it's part of the path. Successful people fail often, but they don't quit. They see failure as feedback, not defeat. Each setback is a lesson that brings them closer to success. Believe in themselves. Self-belief is the foundation of success. Even when no one else believes in them, successful people trust their vision. They keep going with confidence even in the face of doubt, criticism, or fear. Final thought. These lessons are not secrets. They're choices we can make every day. By applying these habits and mindsets, anyone can move closer to their goals and live a successful life on their own terms.